Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, the place where passion meets precision and every ride tells a story. In today's video, we dive deep into the world of dirt and dual sport adventure as we review the Kawasaki KLX series, a lineup that has established a strong presence in the off-road motorcycle segment. The KLX models are renowned for their rugged build, accessible performance, and versatility, making them a favorite among beginners and experienced riders alike. The Kawasaki KLX series comes in several variants, including the KLX 110, KLX 140, KLX 230, and KLX 300, each designed to meet the needs of different riders. The KLX 110 is ideal for younger or smaller riders with its low seat height and lightweight frame. It is powered by a 112cc air-cooled, 4-stroke engine that is both reliable and easy to maintain. The semi-automatic transmission eliminates the need for manual clutch operation, making it easier for novices to learn the basics of dirt riding. Moving up, the KLX 140 is a great step-up bike that offers more power and a manual clutch. It features a 144cc air-cooled engine and comes in multiple frame sizes like the KLX 140L and KLX 140G, catering to different rider heights. The suspension setup on these models provides better travel and damping, making them more capable on rough trails and uneven terrains. For those looking for something more powerful and street legal, the KLX 230 and KLX 300 offer the perfect balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. The KLX 230 is equipped with a 233cc air-cooled engine, electronic fuel injection, and dual sport tires. It is designed for everyday usability and weekend trail riding, featuring a lightweight chassis and long travel suspension that handles bumps and ruts with ease. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch while keeping riders informed about speed, trip meters, and fuel levels. At the top of the range, the KLX 300 is the most performance-focused model. It features a 292cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine that delivers strong torque across the rev range. The 6-speed transmission provides better control over power delivery, especially useful in both technical off-road scenarios and highway cruising. Its suspension components, including a 43mm inverted front fork and uni-track rear suspension, provide excellent shock absorption and handling precision. With a high ground clearance and lightweight frame, it is built for serious trail exploration and aggressive riding. A key highlight across the KLX range is Kawasaki's emphasis on reliability and ease of maintenance. These bikes are built to endure rugged use and minimal servicing requirements, which is essential for off-road enthusiasts who want more ride time and less garage time. The bodywork is slim and ergonomically designed to provide excellent rider mobility and control. Braking performance is adequate across all variants, with disc brakes providing consistent stopping power in diverse riding conditions. Whether you're a young rider just starting out or a seasoned dual sport enthusiast, the Kawasaki KLX series offers something for everyone. It strikes a fine balance between user-friendliness and trail readiness, making it a top choice for adventure seekers and daily commuters who want a bit of fun in their ride. Thank you for watching today's review on SNAutoLuxury. If you enjoyed the video and found the information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more updates, reviews, and insights on the world's most exciting motorcycles and cars. Ride smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.